Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Forest with a controller on PC. First, simply connect your preferred PC-compatible controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, to your computer. Most modern controllers are plug-and-play, making this step straightforward. Next, launch The Forest directly from your Steam library. Once the game loads, head into the main menu and locate the Options section to begin our setup. Now, let's dive into The Forest's in-game settings. From the main Options menu, navigate to the Controls section. Here, you'll want to confirm that controller or gamepad input is actively enabled. This ensures the game recognizes your device. Take your time to customize button mappings for actions like attacking, building, and inventory management. Adjusting sensitivity for aiming and movement can also significantly enhance your survival experience. For an even smoother controller experience, consider using Steam Big Picture mode. This feature transforms your PC interface into a console-like environment, perfect for gamepad navigation. It offers robust tools for advanced controller configuration, letting you create custom profiles for The Forest. You can fine-tune dead zones, adjust rumble, and even map keyboard commands to your controller, providing a truly personalized and optimized gameplay setup. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your controller drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers are a common culprit. If the game isn't recognizing your controller, try restarting The Forest or even your entire PC. Finally, experiment with various button layouts and sensitivity settings. Finding a comfortable and efficient configuration for movement, combat, and crafting will significantly improve your overall enjoyment and survival chances in the wilderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.